Running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived. Picture perfect, it don't exist. But when I'm with you, don't have to question it. True to all feel.
Hello, welcome once again. Have you ever wondered how barcodes are created? In this video tutorial, we will be looking at how to create barcode that can be recognized by any barcode reading machine for your articles or just for any items. First, we have a list of items in our shop, for instance, or in our store. And I'm going to go ahead to create a series of numbers and codes, numbers and letters unique to our items. In order to create these numbers, I have decided the first numbers will be occupied by the numbers pertaining to this. Next, we will include a few letters which I thought should be like the first three letters of each of these items, and then we will include a few other numbers to define maybe the dates the item got into our shop. Now that we have our ID numbers, which is a combination of the defined series number, the initials of our items, and some other numbers which I just decided should be the dates the items got into our shop, we can go ahead and create our barcodes for each item in a very simple way. First, let's make sure that the column containing this ID numbers is formatted as text which is very necessary for creating our barcode. So we format it as text. Okay, great. The next step will be adding brackets to our code, but this needs to be done in a very specific and special way. Here is how. Click into the target cell, the cell where you want to generate the barcode. In our case, the cell G2. Enter equal to a quotation mark, a double quotation mark, next an open bracket, another quotation mark, an percent, and then select the cell containing the ID, in this case C2, another %, quotation mark, close our bracket, quotation mark, and then press enter. Great. Now we have successfully put our ID number in bracket for the first item. We can just simply go ahead and scroll this and drag this to apply in all the rest of the cell. This is our background on which the barcodes will be based. What's left to do is to convert this into our barcodes, but before that we need a specific font type known as known as ID automation, which I didn't have. If you can go ahead and watch one of our video on how to download and install a specific font type in your Microsoft Office in your machine. So I have downloaded this. And I'm simply just going to install. Okay, I'm simply just going to install it. You can download this at so we double click and then click on install. You can download this at www.dafonts.com. There you will find a variety of font type that you can download for free and install in any text application in your PC. So we will select this our created barcode in brackets and move over to the font type and type in the name of our downloaded the font type IDA, which is ID automation, and then click OK, and we can go ahead and apply, yeah, and apply for all our products. So here we have the individual barcodes, the barcode for each item defined by which when scanned will give us the number and probably the name of the item. So that is how you can create the barcode for your item. This function is dynamic, which means if we change any information in our source code or ID number, it automatically changes in the barcode as well. For instance, if we remove this C and put G, for instance, and put G, automatically it changes in our barcode as well. If instead of 30 we put 25, notice automatically this changes as well.